Hi, welcome to Virtual Construction Assistance Weekly Tips and Tricks. Our tip for today is about what to do during a power outage. Power outage is the most typical problem when it comes to working from home. As a virtual assistant, you always need to make sure that you are ready and you know how to handle this type of situation. Here are the 5 things to do during power outage. First, notify your client. It is very important that your client knows your situation. Always remember that communication is one of the most important ingredients when working remotely. Second, have a backup connection like a broadband Wi-Fi. This is one of the things you should have while working remotely. Having this will help you finish your tasks in a timely manner with no disruption. Third, conserve the batteries of your gadgets. Do not waste your batteries. Make sure to save it so it'll last up until the power comes back. Fourth, stay up to date with the latest news about the outage. Be updated always. Staying up to date will help you manage your time and create plan. Fifth, be proactive and have a backup plan. Do not just sit and wait. Make sure to always have a backup plan when the situation occurs. Applying these tips will surely help us be more responsible as virtual assistants. Power outage will not stop us from being the best in what we do. That's all for this week. See you again on the next episode of VCA Tips and Tricks.